H2S is a toxic gas with a rotten egg-like smell is used for the qualitative analysis. If the solubility of H2S in water at STP is 0.195 m, calculate Henry's law constant. Okay, we can try this question. Here they have given solubility in terms of molality. What is solubility? 0.195 molal aqueous solution. Okay, what is the meaning of molality? See, molality means number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of water. So 0.195 moles of H2S, that is solute, which is present in what? 1 kilogram, 1000 gram of water. Hope you understand. We know, according to Henry's law, what is the equation for pressure? See, pressure of the gas is equal to Henry's constant into mole fraction of the gas which is dissolved in the solvent. Right. So you are supposed to find the Henry's constant, right? Pressure is given in the question. For finding Henry's constant, first of all, you must find mole fraction of the solute. So what is that? Mole fraction of the solute is equal to number of moles of solute by total number of moles, correct? Now, number of moles of H2S, we already know. What is that? It is 0.195, correct, right? 0.195. 0.195. Now, what about the number of moles of water? See, it is very easy. See, we know what is the mass of water? 1000 gram. Now, how to find number of moles? Mass by molar mass. Molar mass of water is what? 18. Correct, right? That all of you know, right? 18. Okay. On dividing it, you will be getting 55.55. Hope you know how to find the molar mass of water. See, hydrogen is, atomic mass is 1, 2 hydrogen is there, 16 is atomic mass of oxygen. On adding, you will be getting 18. Okay, so we got number of moles of solvent and number of moles of solute. Okay, now we can find the mole fraction. So what is that? It is 0.195 by 55.55 plus 0.195. On calculating, you will be getting 0.0035. 0.0035. Okay. Now, last step, we have to find what? We have to find Henry's constant. For that, you have to use this equation. Okay. So, what is KH? KH is equal to pressure of H2S divided by mole fraction of H2S. So, we can calculate that. What is pressure of H2S? It's given STP, right? STP means 1 bar. Pressure is 1 bar. So question is, it is given that the whole thing is happening at STP. So pressure is 1 bar pressure. Now what is mole fraction? 0.0035, right? On calculating, you will be getting like 285.7, which means 285.7 bar. So we got the more Henry's constant, we got the Henry's law constant, right? And that is our required answer.